Well, here's the back of my TV. Taking it apart to get the serial numbers so I can order a new part. I gotta look for it somewhere around here and go from there. Oh, there it is right there. Right. And that over there I think too. So that and that. Keeps turning on and off on me, making sounds, and I gotta replace this. It's going to cost about 60 bucks and it may or may not work. And there's the power supply. 60 to 75 hertz when it's on the HDMI, so, or HD TV, so for 50 bucks or 60 bucks after shipping, it would be worthwhile, hey? For a $1,000 plus TV for a 32-inch. Now, how much to replace it? For a backup monitor for 50 bucks, I can't go wrong. And then save up for a better TV monitor. But for $1,000 today, well, fuck, I could get a 65-inch. Back to tech work.